Okay, you guys, today we are gonna go over the knives stuff that, like we did yesterday. We're gonna have a Jeopardy game. The Jeopardy game is based on the PowerPoint that we went over yesterday in class. And, but then our I can segment today is I can identify the different knife cuts, exhibit the knife cuts, which means you guys are going to have a knife in your hand. You're going to be working the different cuts that we learned yesterday. And I can follow the safety rules with knives. So like I said yesterday, it is very, very important that you guys know the safety rules and you stick by them. And there's no horseplay when you guys when the first knife goes out, no horseplay. If there is any horseplay, it will be an automatic 0, no matter what, okay? So, next we're going to do the ACT prep. We're going to give this out, and you guys can go ahead and start on it. I'm going to give you 5 minutes to complete. You guys have a passage to read and 3 questions, and then we'll go over it. I'll give you guys 4 minutes to answer, and then I'll go over the answers with you guys.
A pencil? Yeah, I can sharpen it. It's right over there. Oh,
That's okay. Alright guys, let's go ahead and go over it. So number one, who in here chose, C? Great job, guys, good job. That is the correct answer. Can anybody tell me in here why it is the correct answer? Anybody, wanna explain? Yeah. Okay, good. Number two, the correct answer is H. Who chose H? Good job. Good job, guys. And then number three, the correct answer is C. Everybody get that too? Okay. So the reason why we are doing the ACT prep is to prepare you guys for the ACTs. And the reason we are doing science is for you guys to excel in science and deepening your thoughts in graph reading, okay? So you guys can hang on to these, you can put them in your book bags, they don't have to go in your folders. So these are for your study purposes. So now we are going to go move into our Jeopardy game. We are going to do 3 teams of 4 since there's 12 of you guys. So you guys and Lily, you ladies and Lily, then you 4, and then you 4, okay? So, let's see. Oh, really, you might want to pull your chairs up here, because you guys are going to want to be like answering and stuff like that. So everybody knows how Jeopardy works, right? Yeah? Okay, so whenever you guys answer, just wave this. We don't have a buzzer, so we're just gonna
slap this.
We're just gonna raise this, and then you guys are gonna answer, and then make sure you answer what is, and then the answer. If you guys do not say what is, then it is wrong, okay? So if it is the correct answer, but you don't say what is, then you have to move on to the next group. Because in real Jeopardy, that's how they answer what is a small cut, okay? If that is the answer. Does that make sense?
What is X? So what the answer, the question was a question.
Well, yes. So what is, that's how Jeopardy works. And then you guys are gonna be building points. So first place, at the end of our knives unit, we're gonna be taking a test. First place gets 6 extra points to their test. Second place gets 3 points, and third place gets 1 point, okay? And so keep that in mind. In the real Jeopardy, you have one final question, okay? That final question, you wager how much you think you guys can do. So if you guys have 500 points and you want to wager 250, if you get it wrong, then you're minus 250. If you get it right, you're plus 250, okay? Just make sure that when you write it down, you write down what is, okay? So the answer card is gonna be the last, how you write down your answer, okay? Does that make sense? So you're gonna write wager, how much on one side, and then the answer on the other side. But that's only for the last question, okay? I'm going to, yeah, we're gonna leave it like that. Okay. So, all right, everybody think of a number that your people that are gonna be raising the sign. So think of a number in your head, and I'm gonna have it behind my back, okay? So who's gonna be raising the paper here?
Wait, what's our number?
You gotta think of it, because this determines who's gonna go first. 1 to 5. Okay, so what's your number? 3. What's your number? 3.
We gotta do something. I chose 3.
Yeah, Willie chose 3.
2.
2. 1. All right, I had 2. So you guys go first, okay? So now whoever gets it right gets to choose. Does that make sense? So if you guys get the next question right, then you guys get to choose the next, okay? So, Journey and Haven's team, what do you wanna go with first?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Knife safety, 600.
Which one? Okay, so we have a part 1 and part 2, and the knife safeties are gonna be true, false, okay? So you're gonna wanna say what is true, what is false, okay?
Part 1.
Part 1, okay, 600?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Alright, so listen, if anybody can answer, whoever I see first, okay? So, knife safety for 600. I always need to catch a falling knife.
What is false?
Oh, yeah.
Hold on. I about did it. I did do it. Alright. Alright, that one's gone. Alright, you guys, what do you want?
Knife safety, part 1 for 400.
400. Okay, part 1. Alright, you gotta pay attention. These are true, false. I need to pay close attention to what I am doing when I am holding a knife. What is true? What is true? Good job.
What is, and then the answer.
Wait, what is?
Yes.
What is true?
Okay. You have no idea what we're doing. Okay, I'm gonna get you.
Alright, you guys. You get to pick.
Yeah, okay.
Knife safety, part 2, 600.
Knife safety, part 2. Okay.
Yep.
Alright. I need to let someone know if I am walking past them with a knife.
What is true?
I was trying to wait for you to finish
Oh,
reading
was
the
it?
question.
Roll to the answer.
Because you gotta wait in real Jeopardy or else you
You
get
don't make
a little
money.
timer where you can't buzz in for so long.
I'll just sit there back and not buzzer. Just gotta sit there back and wait.
Okay, now
I was trying to let her finish the question because I already knew the answer, but I didn't know if there was gonna go.
Okay.
Oh, we get to choose again.
Yep.
Oh.
What is knife safety, part 2, 400.
Knife safety.
I'm scared y'all gonna punch me back.
Please let that happen, and then I can get a point.
Next time I answer anything like that.
Okay.
You probably would.
Knife safety part 2 for 400. It is important to carry a knife by holding it beside you, point it down, and do not swing your arm. Will?
True. What is true?
Okay. No. You said.
Get it.
Alright.
I always get to fix it.
Jacob.
I couldn't get off the table, I broke
That's
my
true.
They do get to fix it.
You got one.
I've heard them so many times, like, say the answer and go, what is, and then say the answer again.
No, we're not doing a timer this time, though.
You finally got one.
Okay. We got Jacob, your team. Green team. What do you want?
Work area and setup for 600.
600? Okay. Work area set up for 600. Okay, so these are not true false, okay? So get true false out of your head. These are going back to the PowerPoint yesterday, okay? Setting these up will help to put waste and usable product in. I've seen Jacob first.
Waste bowls?
What is what?
What is the waste bowl?
No,
Bowl.
he didn't say
He
what
didn't
it
say
was.
Not the first time he answered.
What is waste bowls? That's what I heard the first time.
Well, he said waste bowls, and then he goes, what is waste bowl?
Yeah, you did.
Right.
Okay, it's fine.
I'm gonna take it because it is right. Bowls. So, and he said what is? I did hear that.
Throw that messed up.
You guys are doing great.
What?
Alright. Jacob,
Work area for 400.
work area for 400. Okay. Work area for 400. You need to put this underneath the cutting board to prevent movement. Elizabeth.
What is down
Austin Green, Edgecombe High School office,
Good job.
Austin Green.
You got it.
Bravo.
Yeah. Oh, where is?
I'm scared.
I don't know.
Oh, knife.
No, don't do that.
Don't do that.
Don't do that.
Yeah, a little bit. Well, I think I do know. Okay.
Oh,
It's good. It's good. The same points though. Or like 400. Okay. Knife cuts part 1, 400. Cool.
Okay. Alright, knife cuts, part 1 for 400. The julienne vegetable strips together, then diced into even 3 cubes. Really?
What is broom wall?
Good job. Good job, good job.
No, me either.
I didn't know the name of it. You ever had the photo?
Let him do it.
Did y'all understand?
Yeah, let.
That's the concept.
No, you got good.
Alright, Bailey, what you girls want?
Knife cuts 1, 600.
Okay. So knife cuts part 1 for 600 points. Usually this cut is used for soups, same style as the brunoise, but larger. William.
Small die? Or what a small dice?
What is small die?
What?
I didn't finish what I was saying at least.
What a small dice?
Yes.
I like how he got to fix his first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He said what is. Okay, Jacob is your green.
Yeah. She's taking my green.
Okay.
Nah.
That's great.
Alright guys, let's go over the points real quick. Team green is 1,600, team blue is 1,400, and team orange is 1,000. Okay? So
Knife cuts part 1 for 200.
okay. Knife cuts part 1 for 200. Alright, listen guys. A garnish of vegetables cut into long, thin strips.
What is julienne?
Oh, we already had him done.
Alright, knife cut part 1 is done. Okay. What you want?
Knife cuts for 600.
Okay. Alright, this is our last 600. Okay? Alright, knife cuts part 2 for 600 points. This cut is cubes that measure ½ inch on all sides.
Well, that is large.
Nope.
Oh, I was trying to think what it was.
I see Elizabeth next.
Yeah. I had it in my head. Say what is first? You the one who told me to put it up.
Right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, Jacob,
What is medium dice?
good job. Good job.
Jordy smacked me. I did because I had something else in my head.
Is there a daily double up there too?
No, we're just doing one round, but you have Final Jeopardy,
Yeah.
okay? Alright. Green team, what would you like next?
Knife safety part 1 for 200.
Go for it.
Okay. Alright, remember, these are the true false, okay? Knife safety part 1 for 200. Knife safety is important.
What is true?
Good job.
Yeah.
Okay.
Knife safety 200 part 2.
Okay. Knife safety part 2 for 200 points. I need to always store knives in drawers.
What is false?
We haven't for the question was even.
Y'all been doing it too.
No, we haven't.
No, we haven't. I'm
Really?
waiting
Like,
for
there's
us
like-
to the question.
5 words left and everybody else will have theirs up.
Yeah, but not the first word. I didn't even know what the question was gonna be.
Alright, we have three more. We have, work area for 200, map cuts part 1 for 200, and then map cuts part 2 for 400. What you guys gonna go with? No, I'm sorry.
Part 2 for 400.
For 400. Okay, this is the next to the last big one, okay? No more true false, okay? So, map cuts part 2 for 400. Cut into long thin strips, leafy green vegetables.
Look, you don't even know.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What is Chiffonade?
Good job, Bishop.
Let's go.
See that?
I
was
knew
waiting
that
for that
slid
one.
As soon as I raised it up, it went right out.
Alright, 2 more. Green team, what would you guys like? Last 200.
Knife cuts, 200.
Okay?
There's a 400.
Oh, I'm sorry.
We just
We
used
just
it.
did
I'm
400.
sorry. Okay. Knife cuts part 2 for 200. Expose more of the vegetable surface area to the heat.
Is that?
Bro, I don't know. This way.
Expose more of the vegetable surface area to the heat. 5,
What is
4, 3.
angle cut?
What?
Angle cut? What is angle cut?
Nope. Nope.
I know
What
it's
is,
the
what is diagonal cut?
Good job.
He
Oh,
was right.
okay,
He was
go.
saying
He
it
already
the
got
whole
his
time.
No one said
Bro,
that.
he was literally, he was going,
I mean, we don't have to.
diagonal
I
something.
was telling you that.
You'll say it.
I should know.
Oh my lord, I'm selling my team.
Alright, guys.
You gotta
I was
say
telling you
it.
that.
Last one.
I'm sorry, I don't understand you.
What?
Work area, that's the only one.
Alright. Last one, and then we're going into Final Jeopardy, okay? Alright. First step in setting up the work area.
What is sanitize?
Good job.
Ah!
We're still winning.
Oh, we tied. Right?
Yeah.
You two tied.
Well, we've got Final Jeopardy. Okay, so this is how it's gonna work. So I'm gonna read the question to you guys, and on one side of your paper that you have, write how much you want to wager, okay?
What's our limit? Our max?
The points is your
1,800.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
And then whenever I read the question, on the other side, you guys are gonna write the answer. But remember, you have to answer the correct way, okay? Alright, I'm gonna give you 30 seconds to write your wager, okay?
Is this if we get it right, we get the point?
Yes. If you get it right, you get the points. If you get it wrong, it subtracts.
We have to write it down this way, don't we?
Even
On
if we
the other
get
side.
it right,
No.
if we lose,
Didn't see that.
It's all her points.
Oh.
Dude, where can we get this
you bet
wrong?
all your points.
Yeah. Well, we're tied anyways.
Okay, you know, they get this one first.
What if, like, is it just whoever raises their hand first?
No, this
No,
is
this
everybody.
If you get it
Okay.
right,
Yeah.
all I have to do is get it right.
Yeah.
What if we get it wrong?
Well, even if we get it wrong, we lose anyway.
If we get it right,
Then we double it.
But,
yeah.
If we get it right, we double it.
Well,
Yep.
Depends on how much they're weighing.
Yep. Alright, we all wagered?
Yeah.
You guys? Yeah? Alright, flip it over. Now, it's not a rush, okay? Because nobody's gonna get it, like, it's based off of your points, okay? So you guys communicate quietly, because you don't want the next team, okay? Alright. The most important tool in the kitchen is what?
I don't think that's it.
like, what do you mean by tool?
Like what we've been talking about.
like this section or like the whole time we've been in this?
The section.
Okay, sure. It's true. I think it's really.
All right, 30 more seconds.
It's alright though, still.
But I don't wanna like.
On our test, even if we lose.
What if we do bad?
Well,
We at least get one.
yeah, we get one. At least it's on a 0.
It's a one.
It's a 1. We'll get a 0. That's guaranteed.
All right, 10 more seconds. We good? Green team, we good?
Yeah.
Blue team, we good?
Yeah.
Orange team?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. What is chef's knife?
Hey, we got the
I
second.
want to say 9.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
so you got it. What is? Let me see you guys. What you wrote down.
You didn't know.
Oh wait, were we supposed to write what is too?
Yeah.
And you got it wrong.
What is cutting board?
Did you guys just miss it?
What is
Yeah.
that?
You didn't write.
1,000.
Oh, I didn't know we were supposed to
You
write
guys
what
got
is.
1,000?
I
Yeah.
hinted at that.
So that means we got
So
28.
don't forget. What you guys put?
What is
What is cutting board? Okay, so
Please.
green team,
No,
how much
it's
did you? Well, here.
What is it on our 50?
No, green team got it wrong.
All right, so the orange team is the only one that got it right, and they wagered plus 1,000.
Well,
Yeah.
So-
nothing.
2,800.
How much did y'all
We'll do
wager?
it on the test.
250.
yeah.
We'll do it on the test.
And
So,
then
all of us are done.
Well,
blue
only
team got it wrong. 1,800.
yes. Jordan didn't write what is.
They got it right, but
At
they
least we didn't
forgot
got
to
it
put
right.
what it
No,
is.
at least we didn't get second. Second's
And
the
then
first.
minus
Hey,
You don't want, you got 0.
You guys have nothing.
Y'all got the last loser.
Yeah, you guys are just.
But second's the first.
Yeah,
All
second
right,
was the first
Team
one.
Orange, you're number 1. Okay,
What's our test?
Yeah.
plus
Okay, everybody.
plus 3.
That's all. Plus what? Look, even if we fail, well, even we won't make it 0, guaranteed. We won't make it 0.
That's a 1.
Everyone, guys, if
Oh,
you're-
I can guess every question
Elizabeth,
you
I
won.
mean,
Yes.
Every single question.
Good job, guys.
If you're Elizabeth, you might.
We got it right. No, we didn't put what in. That makes me sad. At least I did my mic. That's all that matters. Well, you can
All right, guys, everybody deserves.
Yeah. See, I'm supposed to. We sit
For
the
her
same
being
way.
her, she is.
Thank you guys for participating and making it fun.
You know what, Barb? You know what, young man?
Do we eat these? I had
That
it,
was
and I
for
lost
next
it
year.
for the one.
I'm sorry, Albert.
I can't even remember what that one was.
Did he just say you are not my friend?
I didn't know
Oh, at least.
Thank you.
Yeah, she told me, I was like,
Oh, hear that?
I was thinking of it.
Oh my God.
Put my hand on top of my head.
I think Willie cheated.
Nah,
Very easiest one.
Somebody
I
should
did the
like
same thing
secretly
y'all
wrote.
ended up doing.
He doesn't like chocolate, so we get some chips. Okay. Good job, guys. You guys all did very good. You guys focused. You guys participated. So I'm very, very pleased. It was fun, right? We all had fun.
I'm not a big
When aren't you mad at him? She's mad at me on every day.
Alright guys, now we are going to do our Play-Doh cut slab, okay? I'm going to demonstrate to you guys, how to hold a knife and how to cut, okay? And so what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna have, our cutting board is gonna be a cardboard box, okay? Cause the Play-Doh stains the cutting boards and we don't want that to happen. We're gonna have a small chef's knife, a ruler, and then you guys are gonna have your Chromebooks to reference back to from yesterday from the videos, okay? So if you guys like need to rewatch the videos from yesterday, while you're doing the cuts, we can. You guys are going to set up your work area, sanitize is number 1, and the equipment list is listed above. And you guys are each gonna have a ruler. You're gonna have a ruler where you can tell if it's 1/8, 1/4, 1/2, 3/4, and 1 inch. How to hold a knife. Let me go ahead and do that. Alright, I'm gonna let you guys, I'll pass out the knives, but this row, come and get one of these. This is just your ruler, your cardboard box, and your papers, okay? Wheelie throw. And David. Alright guys, so remember what I need? I need, what is this? Where does this go?
Under the cutting board.
Right. Why? Why do we need that?
So it don't slip and you don't cut yourself accidentally because something.
So I'm not gonna cut the Play-Doh on this, so I just wanted you guys to see how it would be set up when we get into the kitchen and we start doing vegetable stock and stuff like that. This is how we're gonna be setting up our cutting boards for our vegetables, okay? So this is my cutting board. And how to hold a knife, okay? You guys can pinch it. See how I'm pinching it? And then I'm gonna wrap my hand around it. See how I'm not doing this or this, okay? This is a no-no. Remember in the video yesterday? Okay? And when I'm cutting, I'm gonna put my beginning blade down and I'm gonna go straight down, okay? I'm gonna make a constant motion, okay? And so you're not gonna saw, okay? You're not gonna take it and cut like this, okay? We're not gonna saw. We make fluid and it's all in our wrist, okay? So you need to get comfortable with your knife, okay? Find what holds, you know, don't be stiff, because if you're stiff, you're gonna like tense up and you're gonna grab the knife really, really hard and you're gonna cramp up, okay? And the claw grip. Does anybody remember from yesterday what the claw grip looks like? Yep. Why do we use a claw grip? And you guys be careful because you guys, when you guys get to the thin little pieces, you you guys really aren't gonna be able to use that claw grip, but you guys will be able to use your fingertips. Just be aware where your fingertips are in relation to the blade, okay? Just be very, remember, no horseplay, okay? Safety is number one, your knife is sharp and you should treat it as such. And any horseplay will result in an automatic 0. Okay, everybody's gonna get some Play-Doh. We're gonna make a ball with it, okay? It's already a ball, but if it's not, you're gonna make a ball with it. When cutting, try not to mush it. So you're not gonna smash it or anything. It needs to be a ball. Can everybody see me? Okay. And you're gonna cut it in half because you always have to have a flat workable surface before making cuts, okay? Then we're gonna cut each into half moons and then we're gonna thin them out, okay? So I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna get my grip right, okay? I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna go down with it all the way through, okay? Can everybody see me? Yeah? All right. Set this one to the side. Notice I didn't do it up here. Why am I not gonna cut it this way?
It's on a flat surface.
On a flat surface, good job. So now, I'm gonna cut little bitty slices. See how my wrist is going straight? And I'm going one motion, and I'm not sawing, okay? So then, I'm gonna take the little bitty, I'm gonna make it even thinner. Now it's kind of hard for me to use the claw grip. So now, okay. Then, does anybody remember from yesterday, what way do I need to take this off of my knife? Away from me, yep, and I'm just gonna knock it off, okay? So move this out of the way, and I'm gonna make my small dice, okay? And again, I'm using my fingertips. Everybody see my fingertips? Okay, I'm just kind of rocking it. I'm not solid. See? Dice. Okay? All right, what's the number one rule? No horseplay. Good job. No horseplay. All right. I'm gonna hand out the Play-Doh.
Mine's like.
Yeah, everybody go ahead and get your Chromebooks out, because you guys are gonna use that for your video, in reference to cutting. You need a charger. We can set up a work area over here. And, one thing is when you guys are cutting, you have to stand up, okay? There's no sitting and cutting, okay? Because this is and let's go ahead, we should have done at the beginning of class, but we did not. Let's take our book bags and stuff and sit them back here, just so, for the safety of our Play-Doh lab, okay? And if you guys, if you move a chair, you guys can put it to next to you. If you guys are in the row of 4, you guys might want to bring it to the outside. be like in front of you. So, okay. Alright, everybody have, okay, so you guys also have a sheet of paper right here, okay? So what you guys are gonna do is once you have that cut, like the julienne cut, you're gonna lay it where it says julienne, okay? Then for each other one, you're gonna lay it there, but you're gonna leave it, okay? Then you're gonna take a picture of it and you're gonna upload it to Classroom because you guys have a lab evaluation and questions, okay? And that's where you're gonna take a picture of this and you guys are gonna post it up on your Classroom for a lab participation test grade, okay? So is everybody ready to get started? Okay. All right. I have the knife, so just. All right, everybody have their Play-Doh in a ball? Yep. Okay. Let me see if everybody hold their knife, okay? Okay, good job. Good job. Okay. Good job, guys. All right. So let's go ahead and make our first cut. Let's cut the ball in half. Go ahead and make sure you guys are using your claw hand. Okay. Good job, Haley. Good job.
Just about.
Alright.
Just about had salt.
I couldn't get it cut. I had to do it 12. And it's a really big brush.
Yep, so you use your wrist. Good job.
Mine ain't really in half.
Okay, you cut. As long as you see that flat surface.
Yeah.
Okay. So now, let's go on to the back of it to task 2. And it says, go to your Chromebook and rewatch the video of Julienne and then present the cut on the paper called Play-Doh Cut Lab, which is the sheet with the squares, okay? If you do not need to watch the video, that is fine. You guys can go ahead and start the cut, okay?
I'm gonna go.
Is it called Julienne?
Yeah. Julienne is like. I'm just making sure.
Well, you make it like a wrestling.
Yeah, I'm just making sure I get the width right.
Well, you gotta get this one too.
I'm making sure I get the width right.
So what you guys can do, if you guys can roll it like a
Roll it again.
carrot, you guys can do that. Just remember, you gotta make a flat surface. Okay? Remember what he said in the video? If you make your flat surface, push that aside for your vegetable stock. Okay? And then that's when you can make the small cut, or the juliennes. Okay? If you need to, rewatch the video.
Jesus. What the fuck is that?
Okay, so it's in the packet.
Don't leave
I know you wanted to yesterday.
Don't leave it.
Wow.
I'm gonna leave it. I don't want a carrot.
Why not?
It looks like a, it looks like a pea.
That's okay.
It's like, it's
Ish.
ish.
Why
That's
did
what
you
I'll
go
tell you
wrong?
there, it's only just a short video.
Kelly seen them. They're so pretty. I'm sorry.
Wait, actually, maybe I am gonna put it in a carrot. It's okay. Hey, I catch myself all the time at home.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Food is not okay.
I want to use my bigger camera.
Sounds weird.
That's
Sounds weird.
what I said.
At first I was like,
It's even got, okay.
Journey.
I'm gonna get it.
So you guys wanna make your
Real.
you guys wanna just a little bit? So you guys have that flat surface.
What's that on? Yeah,
carrot. Looks like a snail.
I'll fix it. Ow.
No.
yes.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, Charlie's kill, huh? It comes out, it comes out. I'm not good at that.
French.
Oh, my God.
I guess I didn't cut mine in half. It's a little large.
Which one looks like a carrot?
Wait till tomorrow.
Everybody. Great. Alright.
Stop.
What?
That's just kind of
Me?
Yes.
I'm doing amazing. Why do you even judge me?
Because I'm at home.
I am laughing at you.
How many of the sticks do we need?
I mean, mine are like short sticks, but.
I mean, you can just put one on there, cause you guys are gonna be doing the other one, so if you just put one and then use your clay for.
I'm gonna re-roll it.
Good job, you guys.
I'm just re-rolling mine.
Oh, correct. If no one asked.
No, that's all you, what's this? That's like.
So we can just do 3, or something like that.
No, I thought you were
Just as long as I can see.
cut it into blanks.
Are you not supposed to like shape it first?
What? Yeah, no, shape it first and then
You
you
gotta
cut
like
it.
each side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what do you think I did? Is that?
Just crawl all sides off and then cut
Yeah.
the piece.
Leave me alone. Can I help you?
Isn't it?
Alright guys, if you want to re-roll it after you have done your cut to re-practice the julienne, you guys can. Just remember, you guys are gonna have to know,
You wanna re-roll all of it?
no, not that, not your example.
No.
Yes, you can re-roll that whole thing, yes.
Wait, how many do we
Alright,
want to
then we
do?
do
You're not
the-
helping.
And you can, guys can do,
I just wanna watch the video.
and then I'll play it if you wanna practice that.
That's about.
Oh, wait, you're not supposed to like that.
Are these gonna like stick together if I stack them like that?
They stick a little bit and just put them apart.
You know, they're not
This is
perfect,
Julienne.
but. You know, it's good.
What?
Perfect.
It's a hit.
Look at my stick, honey. My stick. Hold on, wait a minute. Oh, look at my stick. It's beautiful. It's a little.
It's a lovely purple carrot.
Little.
My carrot's a thing called a purple carrot.
I had a purple carrot.
That's weird.
Some are bigger than others.
No, they were talking about purple carrots. It's not weird.
Well, I've never heard of purple carrot.
You look like a purple carrot.
I'm not purple.
Cauliflower.
I'm orange. Oh, that's just. Oh.
I did.
I have two examples.
I don't want to. You guys make me eat too much.
That one looks bad.
Yeah, that's true.
She's a matchstick.
Okay, mine are gorgeous.
Alright guys, if you think you have perfected the Julianne, you guys can move on to the Renoir. And go to the video and watch that.
Do we need to move it?
And
No. I don't even do it.
Well, I don't know.
Are you gonna try it again? Are you gonna try it?
Just put, just one example here and then you can,
Your thumb is not
I wanna try it without video.
You guys make me try.
one back up and then.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it.
Red-handed.
Move on to the
Cutting.
wall.
I don't know how to cut anymore.
Is there videos?
Yeah, there's videos of all of them. It, yep, it's just back in your classroom. Yeah.
I'm trying it without.
Thank you.
They didn't even
It's too big.
Just without
film the
video.
video for that.
Just without video.
On the video, they didn't flatten the side either. For that.
oh yeah, I don't think you don't have to do it with the diagonal.
On one.
With the-
Y'all done with the Julianne?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, but yeah, you
Y'all
just
don't look like.
cut it in the
Gotcha.
diagonal.
Oh, they don't send
Yes,
them?
you can. Yep, as long as you have
No,
your
they
example.
don't look like a matchstick.
It's okay.
Sorry,
This
I'll
is,
go back.
this is the.
Be quiet.
You do have it.
Small
Am
diagonal.
I allowed to do that? My finger right here.
Oh
So
my god.
Why would you?
I wouldn't.
better for you, Jordan?
It still looks fast.
Okay, I did it without the video. Wash your carrot and peel. Oh no, no, I'm gonna make a carrot. I'm gonna make a carrot.
Just check the angle, that ain't in the video that he did.
Oh my god.
You
My
can
knife
use
is
this
perfect too.
crayon.
My knife is perfect too.
It's like
So I don't use.
red carrot.
Oh my god.
It'll fall or it'll fall. And you can wad that up too and use it.
Yep.
Are you guys doing back here? Stop laughing at me.
My bad, my bad.
Big buckets.
Uh-oh, just get rough.
I'm being very.
I think this is the way I've always hold my knife, because it feels normal.
It does me too, but I did used to hold it with my finger.
I don't think I did, because that's uncomfy.
I used to hold it with my finger, but then now mom
My mom taught me right.
Mom corrected me when I first started. Actually, no, mom cuts like that. Dad corrected me. Mom still cuts with her finger out.
You need to get on to her.
Oh,
Jump scare.
thank you.
What the heck was
I've
that?
said that all day and nobody's like,
Why?
Oh my gosh, I've been saying that since I saw it. Bad habits. Good for you.
you're a what? Wait, did I already cut that side?
I need a roll.
She looks like a square.
You should use your muscles.
Half the carrot, even outside the knife.
You should eat
It says to say before a snack.
Does it do this on top?
Oh,
Ouch.
yeah.
Click off of it and then.
No, just click right here, and we'll usually pull up something.
It sounds like you probably. Musica.
No.
Oh,
I
yeah,
need
they
five
guess.
It usually pulls out
Wait, why would you roll?
I'm very bad with measuring.
it.
Anybody know where I'm?
That is not very cool.
This is 4 centimeters.
This is a beautiful tiny.
Diagonal cut. I already did mine.
No.
I've already got like my small ass and stuff.
No.
We're assuming. It's actually
Oh, wait. That's large stuff.
I feel like a carrot would be easier to cut than tomato.
Because they do 3/4 instead of a quarter.
They see it.
Look, mine's a magnet here.
Get it and here.
Hurry. Get your cover. Now I'm coming in person. I'm coming to see you.
Alright guys, what you guys have perfected the Vermont and walk around and seeing some diagonal already, that's great. Glad you guys are working.
Jacob Mont.
I am right.
That's a big cube, huh?
That right there? I know what's wrong with
If you're the Julian.
It's really measured.
Oh, remember?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you dead?
Yes. Okay, I glass me took it over here, Zach.
Ugly.
You guys are doing great.
I don't think Jacob's doing it.
3 thumbs ups. Physically?
He gets.
Mentally and physically. Well, I mean, probably nice.
And physically.
These ones are prettier.
Mine's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Girls and overall.
Wait, would this be big enough for like a movie?
No, just as long as you.
I don't know.
Take a picture.
They can measure
Your
it.
life.
I'm switching these out. These ones are pretty.
As squares is gonna be with.
Yeah, good job.
What?
They're ugly.
What's the
Don't
last
ask me.
two?
I'm busy.
What's the last two?
I don't know, Jacob. Why would you ask me?
Pictures. Ish.
She is?
Not in health science, but I mean,
Love
maybe,
y'all.
maybe in here she might be.
Uh-oh.
She don't see the next one. Don't say it, though.
Oh.
Yeah, but always say that.
I only do a few prostheses. The rest are like,
I know, but you could
like
say
that.
Oh, no.
Facts.
Oh, we get her what he's saying. Exactly.
No, cause it's really not an exact square each to the side.
Oh, actually, probably mine. Part of it.
I'm gonna make a bunch of small boxes though. So I'm gonna cut
You
all
realize
of
you just need
these.
like one cube.
I don't care, Jacob. Leave me
You need
alone.
like one cube.
How do I measure it though?
Freak. You don't need to measure.
Jacob, you're good at math.
Alright. You guys almost at the third one?
Oh, that's the one I'm doing.
You doing? Okay. Good job.
Where's that at?
See?
Oh, what's the? Okay, so I'm close.
Yeah.
Jacob, nobody asked. What is the rondelle in the?
Look it up.
So, if they're, when you get to the bottom two, the extra credit, you guys are going to look those up yourself. Find a video, just a short video where it shows how to do those. That's why they're there for extra credit if you have time to get those in. So you just look those up on your own and do the cuts that way with those last two, right?
Oh.
Gotta even it out. No.
Yes. Yep, perfect.
Can I do it two so I don't run out?
Oh.
And then move on to the
Okay. Hold up. This is gonna be a little.
Alright, brain wash should be completed by now, okay?
I'm plating it.
Plating it, I like to hear the word plating.
I'll do set it up.
Yeah.
They're falling apart.
It looks like chicken pox.
Awesome.
Where did that come from?
Look.
Sure you did. What is exactly?
Okay.
This reminds me of green onions.
Alright, you guys are doing good.
Elizabeth.
I need three of them.
No.
No, it's not because you don't have a.
So then you're just gonna do
You and the other got in trouble. This journalist said he was selecting journalists.
Or what?
a small cut first. I think that's a small dot.
You laughed at that.
She said that was good. Oh.
Alright, which one do we use for, suits?
The little one.
Is it
Brunar.
Benoit.
Benoit? Thanks.
Why is there an S?
Silent.
Use?
French?
It's for reading.
Call it Brunar.
Yeah, it's kinda like a diagonal, but.
The varsity girls basketball team is to go to the gym at this time.
Yeah.
Wait, I need my closed captions on.
Remember, it's extra credit, so you're not gonna get it wrong, it's just practice. Elizabeth, don't forget your
Oh, my claw.
claw.
Claw is important. I have to have my claw?
What?
I have to use my claw?
Yeah, because if you're cutting a real carrot and you don't, where's that knife gonna go? Where's that carrot gonna go?
At me.
I thought you were taking a test today.
Me too.
What?
Oh.
No, no test today. We are preparing for one, but not today.
Well, then what were the points for?
It's for the end of the whole unit.
I get one plus
Like by,
one.
so say by like Thursday or Friday, we're gonna be taking our knives test.
Okay.
Okay?
I think I just figured out an easier way to do the chlorine.
What?
Look at my crayon.
Oh, yeah, try that.
Wait a minute.
I was just thinking about it.
I don't know.
It looks like a garlic clove.
Let it be turned like that.
I don't think I can do that. Where's my video?
My carrot cleaner.
Where's my video?
Very good.
Oh,
Okay, so time to.
Play-Doh.
You know what I'm talking about?
No.
I do.
Keep practicing.
Dude,
that's good.
That's what you're doing?
I'm going ahead and make them like the diagonal cut.
Alright guys, we should be, finishing up with the small dice and the, diagonal.
Yes.
Oh, are we going up and down or side to side? Wait, okay.
I'm just gonna be clear, I don't know if the guy did the last cut right for extra credit. Cause it was kind of cutting.
It's already done?
Yeah.
Young and how? I think cut by now.
No, not for you.
So, go ahead and make your video guys too with this when you're doing the small. So, you have to
Make a
cut
pepperoni chicken.
That looks like the easiest one.
small. It's going to be really
The
small.
diagonal.
It's going to be one,
Yeah, wait, is that the?
But you want to do that.
okay, so
Yeah, there you go, the last one.
Yeah.
Small
Figure out the
dice.
best
right there.
ways to do it.
So that can be your small.
It's not gonna
Put that there and
be
then
a
you think
huge,
about
it's still gonna be a.
okay, that's the difference, so because they're medium and they're about
Big
one
start.
inch.
So, you do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's that. Yep.
So guys, we have about 4 more minutes to finish up.
This is about the best I could get with it.
This is the best, this is the best I'm getting for that.
Okay. Alright, if you guys are finished, some are finished, some are not. If you are not, that's okay, keep working. If you are finished, take a picture. Actually, if you're finished, go ahead and put your knife in here. And go ahead and, pull your phone out and take a picture of your paper. And then you guys can clean up your area, put your, cardboards over here and wad your paper, or your, Play-Doh back up into a ball, into the bag, and put the Play-Doh over here. If you guys, your dirty knives go in this white bucket, okay? Remember, if you're walking past somebody, what are you supposed to tell them?
Another knife.
Great job. And then make sure you wash your hands after your area is clean, okay?
I'm about to watch you.
That's fine.
Please stop.
And if you guys do not have time for the 2 extra credit ones, that is fine, okay?
We turned in on the Play-Doh lab evaluation.
I'm sorry, what?
We turned it in at the Play-Doh lab evaluation.
Yes. And then once you guys are finished cleaning your area and washing your hands, you're gonna log into your Chromebook on Classroom. You guys have an assignment, it's a lab evaluation reflection questions. You guys are gonna finish that and you guys are going to post your picture to the reflection, okay? And then you guys are gonna turn that in for a test grade. What did a picture fall?
Oh my lord.
Alright, don't do that when you don't have time, okay? Go ahead and start cleaning up, take a picture and.
That's okay. Small dice. I did the julienne last night.
Did you?
Yeah.
What'd you cook?
Potatoes.
Okay. Did you do french fries or did you do?
I made that.
Oh, cool.
I like hearing you guys use your skills at home. Sorry. Got out of there.
I like those.
Like that, okay? And then that's all that is about. You can take your pictures and you can,
I thought taking pictures kind of fix the rest of it up.
there you go, I'm sorry. Good. Oh. Okay.
One's Kristen.
Finish on that. Alright, go ahead and do your posture.
That's like the Chris.
Okay, I'll take a picture of that way.
Good job, you're done.
That was perfect, yeah.
Oh, man.
Oh, my neighbors do.
No, you can keep it, put it in your folder, or away. Make sure you guys wash your hands after you get done, okay?
Oh, not that, just you.
I don't have it down, you have it either. You can send yourself an email. Send yourself an email. I got a knife, you guys.
Dad, it was so pretty.
So I'll just take this guys through your folders.
Put on our cardboard.
Cardboard goes over here, and then your ruler goes in the ruler thing, and then your Play-Doh goes here, and then your knives go in the white bucket over there, and then wash your hands.
That's mine.
See, I can get it.
Oh, her. I did say her. Yeah.
Well.
The folders are over there now. We moved them in.
Ew.
Alright guys, once you guys have taken your picture, send it to yourself through email or upload it to Classroom if you have Classroom app on your phone. And then you guys have your lab evaluation, and then submit that picture, okay? Yes. Okay.
You'll have your email Outlook. Okay. Well, you haven't set it up yet, because this is what it looks like. Okay, you need that, it's Outlook, and that's what our, it's for.
Smart lunch. Alright. And I also wanna do the egg dissection that you missed last week. I wanna do that with you. Yeah, okay? Alright, sounds good. That's okay.
And if you
Alright,
don't have.
so you're gonna just email yourself. So is this your school email right here?
See all the little things on there?
Okay, go ahead and to your school email here, and what it'll do is it'll send your email. Okay, and it'll send you that, and then you save that on your computer, and you upload it to the evaluation. Alright.
That'll make your life so much easier in high school, be able to add your stuff to your classroom from your
Green,
phone.
aren't you?
And if that doesn't, we'll just work on it when you get home. If it doesn't do it right now, it may take a little while, but you can do it. To download the photos and then the text.
Oh, no.
Okay, I'll let it do whatever. Oh my god, I'm surprised it's still on.
That's from, so that's like, your phone is already lined up to send that email. Does that make sense?
Alright, what was, your favorite part of today?
Jeopardy.
In the Jeopardy?
We got questions.
Probably.
We won't make zero.
Yeah, I'm just happy I won't make a zero. Oh, by the way.
You guys will not make a 1 on your test.
She
I
would
will make a
find a
zero.
way to make a 1.
We won't make a zero.
She would find a way to make a 0.
That is a very known true fact. Like,
Elizabeth could find a way
there is
to make a 0.
scientific reasoning behind it.
Yeah.
Least amount of.
You didn't see it.
I'm proud of myself for knowing all the cuts.
Yes.
Did she
Right.
upload? No.
Okay, guys, so tomorrow we are gonna move into, a little bit of book work with our knives. We're gonna learn more about, the different kinds of knives, before, we do another kitchen lab. And so then we're gonna prepare for the, test that you guys are gonna take probably Thursday, Friday at the latest, okay?
So,
Yeah.
what?
Alright, I'm gonna let you guys finish that up, okay? I gotta look my phone.
See, I already knew you did that.
Yourself,
Go into the email.
and then catch it. Add your link. Yep, that little paper clip. Alright, click on it. Photos, just click the photo. There. And then It's okay. You know what to do now that you see how that works.
That's what it is.
This phone is totally different. Okay. And you should have it in your email. And if you got your email, you can post it to your phone.
I'll see, I'll just
Be on it.
that.
Okay.
It's the fourth. It's depending on how you're doing it. You can be over there. I'm just doing it on
Yeah, I
Saturday,
wanted a
and
different
then
one,
back
but mom
on
won't let me have the same butt.
Cause there's a door down on It'll be the fourth. It's the fourth and the fifth. that we're all closed. Yeah.
Will I set my camera on?
Yeah. Yeah.
Did it just delete, did you just delete the picture?
No, definitely didn't believe my picture.
You're s-
Okay, you never did send it to yourself, obviously.
It's Vinny.
Go to the, see if it comes through on the.
His paper. Did you find a picture though? What picture? No.
If you'll get your picture
Did you take
on your email somehow, some way, then you can take it and you save it in your drive, and then you can attach it to yours.
Something clear up.
Okay, well, tomorrow, if it's still not attached, we'll talk about it, get it done, okay?
Alright guys, if you're finished and you've submitted it and turned it in, just make sure that you have the turned in button. You guys can, work on some stuff that you need to finish up in here. We only have a couple more minutes of class, and, you guys did great, it was fun.
Well, I want it long.